Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable TikTok privacy settings and screen time controls, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open the TikTok app on your device. Log into your account if you haven't already. Tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to access your settings. Select privacy from the menu options. In the privacy settings, you will see various options to manage your account. To adjust who can view your content, locate the Who Can View My Videos section. Tap on it to choose from options like Everyone, Friends, or Private. Next, scroll down to the Interactions section. Here you can limit who can comment on your videos. Tap on Comments and select your preferred option. Return to the previous screen to adjust Duet and Stitch settings. Choose who can use your content by selecting among Everyone, Friends, or No One. Now, let's move on to screen time controls. Return to the main settings menu by tapping the back button. Select Digital Wellbeing from the settings list. In this section, tap on Screen Time Management. Turn on the toggle switch for Screen Time Management. Set the daily. Confirm your choice by entering a passcode if prompted. This will help you manage your time spent on TikTok. Next, go back to the Digital Wellbeing section. You can also enable Restricted Mode to filter out inappropriate content. Simply tap on Restricted Mode and follow the prompts to activate it. Review your settings to ensure they reflect your preferences. Finally, close the settings menu and enjoy your safer TikTok experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.